Hey guys, so I'm going to cover Corel Studios today. Corel Video Studio. So not Corel Video Studio, and whether or not it's good or not. Now, so we're going to take a look at this. It's got a lot of cool features. You can capture. I've made quite a few videos on this, but so you can capture video. You can do quick scan, import digital media, stop motion, live screen capture. I don't use the live screen capture from this one. I use VSDC. And actually, I like VSDC better than Corel. I'm probably going to say Corel a million times, so please forgive me. Now, I'm going to tell you what I do like and what I don't like about this software. Now, what I do like about this software is it's really easy to use. Like, this has got like a really nice drag and drop interface. Cutting the videos is pretty easy. And like when I do videos, I could do easy fade ins and fade out with music. The learning gap on this is like not bad at all. And also it's just very quick and to the point. You have a whole bunch of special effect features that you can use that are really nice. You know, it's not like Adobe or anything like that, but you know, it's really good for the price, like the special features you get. Really cool. And you know, you get a lot of graphics. The text, I really like the text on here too. You got some like really cool text that you could use for your videos. I really like this one. I already used this one earlier on a different video. I didn't get the colors though. Once I went back, it turned all blue, and I couldn't figure out how to get the colors back, which kind of aggravated me. Oh, actually, it's technically this one that I used. But anyways, let me get back to the point that I was making. You got transitions. You got a whole bunch of stuff that's really cool. Now, it lets you put anything on here, but the reason that I do not like this software, and I think this software could be great if they just fix a couple of issues they had with it. Because once you go to share, and I'll share something, and I'm not going to show it now because it would mess up my whole entire video because my graphics card isn't good enough to run both this program and then render something to show you exactly what happens. But I'm just going to explain it to you. So if I want to render something, render a new video and share it, which right now sharing it the way that share works on this, I'd be saving it. And you know, it still have to save if no matter where I did it, it'd still have to do something similar. Now the problem is when you try to save it, it'll mess up and tell you that certain frames aren't savable. And it won't tell you where the frame is. It'll tell you what frame number it is, but you actually have to do the addition yourself, and you have to figure it out with like a whole bunch of math. You have to count the frames per second. You have to take the frames per second, then you have to divide it by the time in the video. It's a lot of work just to find where the damn thing messed up. It could easily be like, hey, it messed up here. But you don't even have to. A lot of other ones, like I'll have to take VSDC because I'd have to save it on VSDC because I made a couple projects in here and not knowing this would be a big deal because it should have told me or just not let me put it in the first place. If it's not going to work, when you drag and drop it, it should be like, hey, bro. Hey, no, bro. Not going to work. Not going to work. I'll just be like, okay, not going to work. But it doesn't do that. So it doesn't let you save it. And then you have to go back. You have to figure it out. It takes a long time to figure it out. So a lot of times, like I just had to recreate the whole entire video of the clip work. And then I have to redo it and send it back over here if I was using this for the voiceover. Because, you know, I'm using the free trial right now. Maybe it's different when it's not the free trial. But I really doubt it because they shouldn't make it not work. So that's why I'm probably not going to buy this, is because of that. And if this worked, I probably would have. If it would have worked, I probably would have bought it because I actually do really like it. I mean, if I do use it, I might use it for a couple of the FX effects, and I might eventually buy it. But I'd rather just buy like VSDC and then, you know, maybe like Adobe After Effects or something like that. That's why I didn't like Corel Studios. But, you know, you might have a different review on it, but that's how I feel about it. I would much rather go with VSDC, Video Editor. VSDC is free, and this is technically not free. I'm using a free trial. It costs like $50 or something like that. VSDC is only $20. You have almost all the same features. You don't have the special effects, and the drag and drop's not quite as nice. The drag and drop on here is way better. Like the aesthetics of this program is actually really good. You know, it's very simple to use. It's not that expensive, but just because of the errors that they're having and the problems that they're having with that, it makes it's not worth it unless you make a decent amount of money and you just want to use one of their special effects. You just get like some other program that's similar for way cheaper. But that's my review of this. If you like this video, please go like, subscribe. If you have any comments, you know where to do it at. Y'all take it easy.